Hello friend, I am here to show you how you can use any image as a background in PowerPoint. Basically what happens, sometime we require to use image as a background in PPT, but as we see, so here we are not getting any option so that we can use any image as a background. Sometimes we click on this and just try to format shape, but here we are not getting any option where we can use image as a background. Yes, we can change the color of background but not image. So here I am going to tell you how you can do this. So before starting this, actually I have opened a PPT and I have already downloaded 2 or 3 images, so I can make you understand how you can do this. So what you have to do, here you can see there are many options. You have to click on design. When you click on design, so just look at here, you get a option of background. So you have to click on this, just click on this. When you click, so this type of you got you can say a pop-up. So here you have to select picture or texture fill. When you click on this, so here you can see the option. Here you can see texture which is already applied, but if you want to use image, so you have to click on this, means you have to select your file, means which image you want to use as a background. So here I have taken suppose this one image and insert and close. When you are going to close, so this image will be applicable on particular slide, but if you want to make all slide as a background, so just click on the apply all. So this will be implemented in all your slides. So here in background you can see this background image is applied to each and every page. So this is process. By using this process you can use any image as a background in PowerPoint. So thank you for watching this. Thank you.